Miss Diana. Okay, i-wrap mo muna ang iyong rapang suot, Diana. Alright. Susunod na Miss San Mateo. Ay. Alright. Okay, let's just get it. Alright. How about, ipakita mo na ang iyong kagwapuhan. It's your time to shine. Mr. Justin Panuel. How about Mr. Jexer Yuson? Irampa mo na yung kagwapuhan nung yan. Balik pa ka naman po natin. Irampa mo na. Pakita mo sa kanila, sir. Ay, ayaw na. Mr. Yuri Yuson. Ayun. Dito sa gitna, sir. Tapos mas malakas energy dito. O, ayan. Ibigay mo na. Ayan ang inspired. Yan ang energy. How about Mr. Trisca Lloyd Manuel? Ayan. And of course, Mr. Ian Manuel. Ika lang mo na. Energy. Ayan. Okay. Isang malakas na palakpakan nga po. Just to prove that we are very much happy and glad to be here this day. And of course, let us not prolong this agony. Maliit lang po at maigsi lang po ang lalakaran ng ating groom and bride. So, hihilingin ko po na habang maglakad sila, kapag tinawag po natin dito habang naglalakad, ibigay po natin ang ating napakalakas na palampak, hiyawan, and cheers sa kanilang dalawa. Alright, I guess everything is set. The sign is given to me. The signal is given to me. Let's give it up. Malakas na palakpakan para kay Mr. and Mrs. Wow, thank you. Mr. and Mrs. LJ Canuel. Energy nating lahat. Yes. Yes, hindi po matatapos dyan kasi it's very good to start this event with the flash mob. Yes or no? Hindi ko marinig. Yes or no? Yes! Of course, yes. So, meron po tayong dance step dito. Ma'am Shi, hawakan mo yan. Kilagay. Madali lang po ang aking dance step. Usong-uso, bagong-bagong palakpak lang po. Okay, mapalakpak lang po tayong lahat. After po ng palakpak natin, ang first step po natin ay pataas. Ganito lang po. Or gawin po natin sabay-sabay with the groom and bride. 5, 6, 7, and 1, 3, and 4. Hindi po tayo magsisimula pag hindi kayo sumasabay dyan. Another 5, 6, 7, and 2, 3, and 4. Susunod pong step natin ay napakadali. Or gawin po natin 5, 6, 7. Yes? Alright. You are excited. Sige po. Today's joy would not be complete without honoring the people who stood by them through every season. Yes po. We're going to witness a gratitude dance between the groom and his mother. So, it's your time, sir. Kunin mo ngayon si mommy at let's have as you pay your honor and respect as you enter the life of being married. The gratitude dance. Everybody, palakpakan naman po natin sila. This gratitude dance is a symbol of appreciation, respect, and love from their newlyweds to their parents. Ladies and gentlemen, let us do this and give them a round of applause. Thank you so much.
Kaya naman nila yung kami.
And now, of course, it's another story. You know, it is a big deal for a father who raised a beautiful child, turned into a lady, into a woman, to finally render her his dance and sign of love, symbol of love and gratitude to the very beautiful bride. And now, let us now have the bride and father dance under the set of the gratitude dance. Sir, please do the honor. Palakpakan naman po natin ang father who raised his beautiful daughter. You know, I still believe that no matter how old we are, we still need a father. Even if we're married, we still need a father. Ladies and gentlemen, Mr. Yuson. This dance tells a story of childhood, laughter, gentle guidance, and a father's endless support. As a simple yet powerful thank you, the bride shares this gratitude dance with her father, the first man who ever held her hand and taught her what love truly means. Ladies and gentlemen, palakpakan po natin the bride and father dance. Sir, please do the honor to hand your daughter finally to your son. Yes, that's it. Palakpakan po natin. This is such a very meaningful and symbolic tradition. Finally, from Miss to Mrs. Canuel, ladies and gentlemen, this moment is one of the most awaited highlights of today's celebration. A dance that speaks of love. Ladies and gentlemen, we're here inviting you to shower our couple a blessing, even a prosperous blessing. You may hand them your gifts. This is part of the prosperity dance. Thank you. Our principal sponsors, you may hand them your things, your gifts for the prosperity dance. Maraming salamat po. Thank you so much to our Honorable Mayor for the blessing and gift. Palakpakan naman po natin. Thank you so much po. And now, again, susundan po ng maraming blessings coming from the different friends and relatives who truly love our couple. Maraming salamat po. Ulit! Ay, hindi ko tatanggapin. Ulit, sir. Ulit mali naman yun eh. Wala na, 5, 4, 3, 2. Okay, si Mami. Okay, bakit music nga? Music, go. I am Nicki Minaj, I never knew your energy. But you set my heart beat running away. Feeling like a drum and it's running away. Can't you hear that boom, 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 boom? Super bass. Okay, finally, 1 point. Pwede sa kababaihan. Okay, very nice. Okay. Hello, ilan pa? Ay, marami akong music dyan. Another! Ilan ang score natin? 3, 1. Okay, sige. Busin natin yung tugtog ko. Energy! Yeah, 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 yeah. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Okay, another 1 point. Another 1 point sa bumuburumbong. Okay, 2 and 3. Ano? Maabutan ko. Sabi ko sa inyo, palo ko dito. Okay. Let's talk, last clincher. Sorry, you can never go wrong. Panalo ang kababaihan. Oh, akong judge dito. Akong mas maganda. Joke lang po. Okay, all three po sila. Congratulations. Maraming salamat for being a very good sport. Ayan.